One sunny morning, Benny the white-furred Holland Lop bunny was hopping through the forest.
It works! It really works! Why are you smelling so much? Look at this! Amazing! Draw more! This is the best day ever! Let's draw something H-U-G.
Roar!
Hello, friends! Oh, no! He's Tooby-Doo now!
You're just my size. Well, almost. The giant dinosaur shrank to a normal size. Thank you, Benny.
The magic pencil is wonderful, but we must use it wisely.
That's right. Thinking before acting in Sam.
I can't find my nest. Don't worry, we'll help you. Let's use the magic pencil. Oh no! It's going to rain! I have an idea!
Yay!
Forgot to collect nuts! Winter is coming! Let's help! Now let's gather nuts together. Many paws make light work. What's inside? Let's open it carefully. It's a treasure map! Adventure time! Look! An X on the ground!